I learned Telugu as part of the Unity Month, feeling very proud. About 81 million people speak Telugu daily. It's often called the Italian of the East for its musical rhythm. It's a beautiful Dravidian language with a rich history and culture, spoken mainly in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It's one of the oldest language in India. Telugu reminds me of Tirumala Tirupati temple. Whenever we go to Tirumala Tirupati temple, we hear this language. Saurabh sir spoke some phrases in Telugu in our session. నమస్కారం, ఇలా ఉన్నారు మీరు, ధన్యవాదాలు, రేలు కాలుదం, నేను ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉన్నాను, నేను సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను, నడవండి నడవండి నడవండి.